To enable repeat notification alert feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap advanced setting. Now tap the gray on offset next to repeat notification alert until the switch turns blue to turn it on. If needed, you can customize its setting by tapping repeat notification alert. To select the app you like to repeat its alert, tap apps to repeat alert and then select the app you like to repeat alert. As the example, we will select Gmail. Tap the back key to go back to the previous menu. If needed, you can change how long your phone will repeat the alert by tapping repeat interval and then select the desired interval. As the example, we will select 10 minutes. The last one, you can also set your phone to vibrate when the notification sound plays by tapping the gray on offset next to vibrate when sound plays until the switch turns blue to turn it on. By choosing this setting, now when you receive a notification from the selected app, in this case from Gmail, your phone will repeat alert by playing the notification sound and vibration for that notification. It's 10 minutes until you open the notification or you dismiss the notification. Given to the function, you can use this feature so you will not miss any notification from your important app. Also, to make this feature works, make sure that the selected app is set to alert and the notification sound is not mute. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.